Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ReChat review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called ReChat. So this is the ReChat review, and right now we are on a sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 10 minutes long, so we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says build chat GPT like chatbots for your Instagram and Messenger, first ever A.I. If there is a dot after A, then there should be a dot after I as well. That is how you write the short form. So if you're trying to write artificial intelligence, then it has to be A dot I dot. You cannot leave, or you cannot ignore the dot after I. There has to be one. Chatbot builder that talks to your visitors, replies to comments, generate content, and automate everything with dead simple setup, zero experience required. Well, that is what actually this software does. So it creates the chatbots for your Facebook Messenger and for your Instagram Messenger, as you can see here. And it generates automatic replies to people's messages and their comments. And in case you have some traffic or fan following on Instagram and Facebook, and you don't have time to reply to the messages of your maybe followers or your customers or whatever, then maybe you can go and use this software. Or else if you handle some social media accounts for other customers, you're some agency or freelancer, and you want to automate the whole process, then you have to go and watch the demo video first and then decide if you want this or not. This thing has got nothing to do with making money, but you can make money with this only if you have a strategy, okay? So the price will be, I guess, $37 to start with, and then there will be some OTOs. So here's the demo video, and I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. So you will find both links, the link of the sales page. So it might be saying grab ReChat copy here. That link will take you to the sales page, and it will be saying watch ReChat demo here. That link will take you to this video, okay? So you can watch the video first, this demo video. After that, you can decide if you want to buy this or not. And let's get back here. Okay, so who is this for? Again, this is for people who are either freelancers who manages social media accounts for other customers, for other businesses, or you are a business yourself, or you are some kind of digital marketing agency who has got some clients, and they're showing here this is how much people charge for becoming their social media manager, okay? So is it gonna make you any money? Of course not. The software don't make money. What makes money is traffic, as in real people, your customers who will come and they will buy your services. And if they buy your services, then you can use this software probably and maybe manage their social media accounts on their behalf, and you can charge them maybe monthly subscription based payments, okay? So let's get to this demo video. Well, obviously in this video I will not show you much, because you have to go and spend your own time in understanding how to operate the software. They have explained everything for 10 minutes, and mainly it is only for Facebook and Instagram, okay? So it's not for your website. Let's say you get visitors on your WordPress website, or maybe on Twitter or LinkedIn. It's not for that. It is only if you get traffic from Facebook, where people leave you messages in Facebook Messenger, or people leave you messages on your Instagram inbox, or if you receive some comments on your Facebook posts and Instagram posts or reels, okay? So this is only for Facebook, Instagram. It's a bot. It will not change anything in your life, except that if you don't have time to reply to everybody's messages or reply to everyone's comments, then you can use this bot service. And maybe, I don't know how this will work, maybe this will increase engagement, or maybe people will find out that's the bot and they will leave your site, okay? It can work in both ways. Sometimes if people only leave the comment that okay, I like it, this and that, in reply the bot will be saying thank you so much. So in this case, no engagement at all, okay? But if the buyer is a potential, for example, the visitor is a potential buyer who wants to buy your services, In that case, he might have specific questions and he would like to speak or chat with a real human person. And at that time, if he feel that it's a robot talking to him or her, it can backfire. It depends. Okay, so I will not explain the technical things here. How are they creating everything? You will have to go and watch the demo video to understand how you have to go and set up these questionnaires. Because for example, if somebody asks you in the inbox that what is your service all about, then that answer has to be predefined inside the bot, inside the software. Okay, so it might sound easy, but you have to configure all this. You see here, so when somebody will ask you some specific questions, the answer has to be predefined in the settings of the bot. It might look easy, but I guess you will have to do your hard work initially. Okay, plus remember that this is a bot only, right? I am not interested into bots. Okay, I would rather prefer not replying to you if I'm sleeping rather than the bot replying to you. Now obviously it will depend from case to case basis. If you get thousands of visitors every day of you, or you get hundreds of queries every day, and you don't have staff or you don't have people who will reply manually to those queries, then of course you can go and utilize this bot. Okay, at least this bot will make those people to give their email address so that you will collect their leads, and later on you can contact them via email and answer their questions, or you can at least do a follow-up. Okay, so if you get so much traffic from Facebook and Instagram, this bot can help you at least to collect their email address. When they leave the email address, then you will be getting those leads, and then you can follow up them later on. Okay, so it can work for those people who are already getting so much traffic. If you are not getting traffic, then having this bot in your messenger or your Instagram means nothing, because nobody's gonna come and ask you any questions anyway. Okay, so you go and watch this demo video to understand how this software is going to build these things. And you can see here, this is posting comments or replies to the comments automatically. So do the needful, go and check this out. And let's talk about pricing in the OTOs here. So this is gonna cost you $37 to start with, and then you have some OTOs. So these are the features, and it's ChatGPT AI bot powered. So as in, like, the answers which you saw in the demo video here somewhere, it was replying to the comments. Okay, so those question and answers are generated by the AI. For example, you see post here. In post, you don't know what to type in that case, you will just type in a keyword, and the AI will be generating the content which you can post on your Facebook or Instagram. Okay, that's what this ChatGPT like chatbot means here. Okay, now let's talk about the OTOs. So I am not interested in any of these OTOs. What you have to do is pause the video here, read out all these features, check the pricing at the top, and then decide which ones you need, which ones you don't. I'm scrolling through, and yeah, I'm not interested in any of the OTOs. So you pause the video and read everything. That's all. We're done. Okay, so these were the OTOs. Let me see if I can find any more information. Not really, so there's not much here. Okay, so OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 OTOs are there. Okay, when you will buy the front end in 37, or maybe commercial license in 47. So when you will buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant upsells, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4. You can decide there, pick and choose. You can decide what to buy, what not to, right? So let's wind this up, because if you were thinking about making money with this, let me clarify, this is only for people who are already getting visitors or queries on their Facebook and Instagram profiles or messengers. Okay, it's only for people who are getting traffic to their business already, or to their Facebook page or Instagram page. Or this is for people who are freelancers managing social media accounts for other clients. Or if you're some agency and you have so many clients, then go and get this. It is not for people who are newbies. Okay, if you're a newbie only and you are only here to make money, it's not for you. Okay, this thing has got nothing to do with making money. This thing is only a bot which will reply to some messages, and even for that you have to go and have the answers predefined inside the software. Okay, some work will be required. How to use the software, you have to go and learn it after watching the demo video, or they might have some training inside, not sure, but you can always contact their support. Right now, let's talk about those people who are here to make money, but they are not experienced or not tech savvy. they can go below my video. First thing is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. That will not make you money, neither that will not make money to you, neither to me, okay? But still you have to subscribe and like. It's a technical requirement. So press these two buttons, and now you will see a couple of links below my YouTube video here. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now forex trading is currency trading in which you buy currency at low price and you sell that to a higher price. But we are not expecting you to do any of that because it requires expertise and experience. What we do instead is we use a software. So you can see this is our virtual machine. Here we have a graph. We will be installing a software on this graph, and that software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically, okay? So come here, click on the first link, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on this thing called unlock the syndicate. Go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch a couple of videos there to understand what are you going to get into, okay? This thing will be fully on autopilot, which means that I will be setting all this up for you, okay? You see this machine, the graph, the settings, the software and everything. I will set up all that because we will be working on profit sharing basis. So it is a win-win situation for you, because once we start making money, then you will be keeping 70% profits every week and I will be keeping 30%, okay? That is how it's going to work. Right now you will not understand much what I'm saying. For you to understand everything completely from 0 to 100, come on this page, then enter your information, then go and watch those two videos on the sales page which I'm talking about, option 1, option 2, and then you will understand what I'm talking about the 70-30 ratio, okay? 70% profits weekly yours, 30% mine. Then next link here says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. In case you want to make these YouTube videos, make these reviews, do affiliate marketing and grow your email list, or even make money on YouTube without even selling anything, then you can go and get Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, because in order to make money on YouTube without even selling anything, your YouTube channel has to be monetized, okay? Monetize means when you watch my YouTube video, you must have seen some advertisements in this video. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, right? Yes, so whether you buy something in this video or not, whether I sell you this ReChat or not, I still have made some money from this video because this video has shown you some advertisements, right? So if you want to do exactly what I'm doing right now, go and get Traffic Jarvis. However, the difference between the first link and the second link is that in forex trading, everything will be automation and you will be doing actually nothing, okay? And you will still make 70% profits. In Traffic Jarvis, you will have to work manually and you have to work a lot. So go and check out these links. And again, ReChat, it's only a chat, it's only a chat bot which does its thing. It replies to comments and it send replies to the messages which people will contact you and they will ask questions. And there's nothing magic here. So again, I have told you, if you are freelancer, experience, digital marketer or whatever, if you know how to use these bots, then go and get it. This thing has got nothing to do with making money though, okay? Do watch the demo video, but if you're a newbie only who wants to make money online, check out these two links below the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.